guys, welcome to hashtag quirky. So in today's video we're going to be talking about products which I think are like a must have. I actually wanted to make a video which is like 10 products under $1,000, but I do have more products. There's not just 10 that I want to show. So I was like, just let's make a must haves video. Now most of these are actually under $500, but there are a few products which are like a little priced. Okay, so I was like, let's just put an under $1,000 ka banner. And also there's a huge sale going in Nykaa and Amazon at the moment. I wanted to do this video so that a few people who have the similar concerns can go ahead and buy these products from the sale and have a great deal. So without any further blabbering, let's get started with the video. Putting the prices of all the products in the screen here. I do not want to actually search for these prices, and this is a very random video, so I was like, let's just sit and film this and then afterwards I'll do the research and put the prices on the screen. So we're gonna start with hair care. I have two products for hair. The first one is the Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower Aroma Shampoo. Okay, this is kept like this because I've almost finished the bottle and there's only this much left. Now this is a volumizing shampoo and this is a really good shampoo. I think the price of this was somewhere around okay, this says $600, but I'm pretty sure I got it for somewhere 400 or 450, somewhere around that. It's a 400 ml tube. Okay, so it's a huge thing, and you will take, like, this lasted me around a year. Now I don't use one shampoo at a time. I keep switching between 2 or at least 3 options because my hair kind of stops reacting to one shampoo after a point of time. So that is the thing. But however, 400 ml ka tub is gonna last you for quite some time. Okay, so this is a volumizing shampoo and this really adds kind of a puff to your hair, and I have loved using this. They also have similar conditioners. When I got this, it only had 3 variants, but I think right now they have added 3 or 4 extra variants. So that's a yay. So the next product I have is a hair mask. Now this is actually pretty priced. It's probably the costliest product that I have in the list at the moment. This is the Plum Olive and Macadamia Mega Moisturizing Hair Mask. Okay, this is for 250 grams, and it says that this is for chemically treated hair. However, all chemically treated hair or colored hair ka jo products hai, Dorma hair people can also use it. It's actually better to use them because they have less amount of chemicals in them. So yeah, this is the tub. Now this was the first hair mask that I ever used, and boy oh boy did I like it. Now this in the instructions it said that this was a pre-shower mask. Okay, but I do not like putting masks pre-shower because I'm like, the scalp is already pretty dirty, you know, so how do I lay a product? So I used to use it as an after shower mask, and it did wonders for me nonetheless. Okay, so you can definitely use it as an after shower mask. I'm sorry if I'm looking at myself. At times I should be looking at the camera. So you can also use it as an after shower mask. This kind of gives that extra boost of moisture and smoothness to your hair. Use it once a week and I think it's gonna do you wonders. It's gonna last a long time. This stuff still is with me for like over a year, I think, and yeah, it has a shelf life of 2.5 years. So 2 years or around, yeah, almost 2 years. So this is like pretty good stuff. Okay, so definitely use this. The next products I'm going to be talking about are shower gels. Now I have talked about these shower gels in another video. I think it was the five products under 500 video or something. I will try and link it in the eye. You can go ahead and check these out. Now I'm talking about the Bodyshop shower gels. They have a ton of variants. I currently am using the Moringa and British Rose variant. Okay, I have also used the Argan Oil variant and it's really good. Now let's talk about this for a while. I personally am not a very big fan of floral scents, especially if there's just one scent involved. Okay, like if you give me a lavender spray or a jasmine mist, I wouldn't be attracted towards it, right? But for some reason this particular variant and smell, this is the British Rose variant, it's unbelievably good. You're gonna love the smell. And you know, there are some products which you know that the brand is costly, right? This is one of such brand. I feel I have used so many of their products and I absolutely love them. However, this doesn't cost a lot. This is for MRP at 345 bucks. You can get them at buy one get one, or buy two and get 20% off of something is there always in Nykaa. So you can obviously grab these. If you are grabbing these, do buy the British Rose variant. So moving on to face products. First I have a face wash, which is the Simple Refreshing Face Wash. Now this is such a raving product, okay, in YouTube. A lot of YouTubers are recommending this. I didn't buy this from their recommendations though, because this looks very pretty, honestly. And I just got it to try it out. I was running out of my face wash. You can use it as a morning as well as a day night face wash. It's really good. Okay, the consistency is very light and gel like, so it's easier to foam, I think. And also, I don't know it's about me only or not, but it kind of helps you get rid of a little bit of makeup residue, which is a very big yay. It's a huge tub, again 150 ml tub. And as the name suggests, you know, it's a simple face wash. Doesn't have a lot of difficult ingredients in it, but it's a really good face wash. Simple has a lot of other products which are also supposed to be very good. This is the only one that I have used. And for a face wash, I'm only looking for one factor, that it's not stripping my skin of moisture. My face shouldn't feel stretched after using the face wash, and this doesn't make me feel that. I'm actually really liking it. Okay, the next skincare product that I want to be talking about is the Minimalist Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. Now this is okay, do I get a quantity of this? Yeah, it's a 30 ml product. Okay, this is how the packaging is. Very simple, hassle-free packaging actually. It comes with a pump like so. Right, now this is not a hyaluronic acid serum or a moisturizer. This is just 2% hyaluronic acid. Now why am I saying or recommending this product is because if you are not into chemicals and chemical peels and all the, you know, burst of the chemical industry right now that's there in the makeup and skincare, majorly in the skincare industry, then if you want to start with it, this is probably the best product, okay? Or let's say this is probably the best acid that you want to start with, which is hyaluronic acid. Now hyaluronic acid is really safe, okay, compared to all the other acids which are currently in the market, be it an HA or an PHA. BHA, there are usually all the three kinds, okay. Whatever it is, you're using retinol, niacinamide, salicylic acid, whichever one, but this one, those still have a chance to work on your skin or not work on your skin, okay. You can react to them. You have to try them out and understand your skin before using one of them. This is way more easy to use, and also it's almost effective on all skin types. Now hyaluronic acid is actually in humectant, so it kind of absorbs moisture from the atmosphere and helps you to helps your skin absorb the moisture as well. So after your face wash, just spray some toner, and when your face is semi damp, put the hyaluronic acid, and so that it just absorbs the water inside, okay. No matter what skin type you have, this is going to suit you, okay. This is not something that's very like, it doesn't come with a lot of caution, that's what I'm saying. Even if you are using an HA or BHA peel, they particularly suggest to use hyaluronic acid after that, because that kind of helps in bringing the moisture inside. This is a nice acid to start with if you are not into all the chemical peels and everything yet. I'll list the price here. So yeah, I absolutely love this, I'm not gonna lie. Up next, I have a product which is a very recent buy. Now it came in the market a while ago, but I have been using it for like around 2 weeks now, and I can already see the results. And I'm talking about the Plum, Grapeseed and Sea Buckthorn oil. Again, this is costly. Okay, the MRP is I think somewhere around 750. You can get it at a discount though, but yeah, this product is like, it's a miracle. Okay, I have heard so many YouTubers talk about this, be it Jovita, be it Shreya, or a ton of people, okay, talks about this. Now this has 10 oils in this one bottle, okay, and this has the very light fragrance. This is not fragrance free. The minimalist one was. You don't have any fragrance in hyaluronic acid, I guess. But this has a fragrance of the plum green tea gel, night clarifying gel, the same fragrance actually. However, this one especially, if you are using this as a like last stage in your beauty routine and you to like lock everything down and you go to sleep, you are going to wake up with plump skin, okay. And I don't know what this oil has, but it's beautiful on the skin. It has worked wonders. So definitely buy this if you're looking to add a facial oil. Also, you can just use this as your night cream. You do not need to use a night cream and then an oil. You can just use this as your night cream. This is okay for normal combination and dry skin people. So yeah, go ahead and grab this. Okay, the next product I want to talk about is the Juicy Chemistry Blood Orange and Rosehip Organic Lip Balm. Can you see the packaging? It's very cute, but I personally find tub lip balms a little tad inconvenient to work with. The fragrance, I hate citrus fragrances, but this has a very sweet orange fragrance, okay, so I don't mind this honestly. However, I am a person who is not a very big fan of lip balms, because lip balms kind of tend to, you know, they just make my lips greasy and all, so I try avoiding it, okay. But this beautiful lip balm over here is just, it's wonder in a bottle, okay. This is for 350 bucks or something, I think. Now this has a balm consistency, as you can see. You need to scrape a little product out, and once you apply it on your lips, it kind of turns into a very thin oil layer, which is, I don't know what it is, but it's really good. It's non-sticky, it's non-greasy, okay. Your lips are not gonna stick. And the best part is that once it turns into the oil layer, it's gonna stay on your lips for a good 5 to 6 hours. You don't need to reapply the lip balm if you're not eating anything, obviously. I love this product. If you're looking for a lip balm, please invest in this. This is brilliant. I want to show two fragrances. This one is Nykaa MOISTURIZING V, and this is the Iba Halal Raindrops, okay, in the variant Raindrops. Basically they have 3 variants. So this one is a very close dupe to David of School Water, and this is a very close dupe to Dolce & Gabbana's Light Blue, I think, and both of these fragrances are awesome. I am a sucker when it comes to aquatic fragrances, like sea-like ocean fragrances, okay. You give me fresh, cool water fragrances and I'm like, oh my god. So if you are a fan of such fragrances, then please go ahead and invest in these two. This is for 350, this is for 300. You are gonna love these fragrances, and these are fragrances which are kind of, you know, these are expensive fragrance in an affordable bottle, okay. Must buy. With all that being said, this video has come to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, do subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and hit the like button as well. I'll leave my Instagram link in the description box. You can go ahead and check that out. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.